Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn long division method in this part 4. Self practice 6H textbook page number 106. Open your textbook page number 106. Self practice 6H. Before we go further, first we will do quick revision. Number 1. Textbook page number 106, quick division. Number 1. 574 divided by 7 is already given in your textbook, but we are doing it here again. 5 is smaller than 7, so we cannot divide. So 0 we have to write. Now we have to consider 57. 7 8s are 56. 7 minus 6 is equal to 1. And we'll keep 4 down. 7 2s are 14. 14 minus 14 is equal to 0. Next, 145 divided by 5. Here again, 1 is less than 5, so we cannot divide. We have to consider two numbers, 14. So 5 2s are 10. 14 minus 10 is equal to 4. 5 will bring 5 down. 5 9s are 45. 45 minus 45 is equal to 0. Number 3. 2624 divided by 8. Again same here. We cannot divide 2 because 2 is less than 8. So we have to consider two numbers 26. So 8 3s are 24. 26 minus 24 is equal to 2. Bring 2 down. 8 2s are 16. 22 minus 16 is equal to 6. Bring 4 down. 8 8s are 64. 64 minus 64 is equal to 0. Number 4. Same here. So we have to consider 28. 6 4s are 24. 28 minus 24 is equal to 4. Bring 0 down. 6 6 are 36. 40 minus 36 is equal to 4. Bring 2 down. 6 7s are 42. 42 minus 42 is equal to 0. Number 5. 1505 divided by 7. Again, 1 is smaller than 7. So we have to consider first two numbers, first two digits. So 7 2s are 14. 15 minus 14 is equal to 1. Bring 0 down. 7 1s are 7. 10 minus 7 is equal to 3. Bring 5 down. 7 5s are 35. 35 minus 35 is equal to 0. Now, self practice 6H we have to do in our text notebook, CW notebook. So please open your notebook and do this sums. All the sums, there are 24 sums you have to do. I am going to do here all the sums. Afterwards you can complete it. 7 1s are 7. 9 minus 7 is equal to 2. Bring 1 down. 7 3s are 21. 21 minus 21 is equal to 0. Number 2. 4 2s are 8. 9 minus 8 is equal to 1. Bring 6 down. 4 4s are 16. 16 minus 16 is equal to 0. Number 3. 70 divided by 2. 2 3s are 6. 7 minus 6 is equal to 1. Bring 0 down. 2 5s are 10. 10 minus 10 is equal to 0. 78 divided by 6. 6 1s are 6. 7 minus 6 is equal to 1. Bring 8 down. 6 3s are 18. 18 minus 18 is equal to 0. Next page. Right now I am explaining here, but you have to complete all 24 sums in your notebook. You can see this video more than 2 or 3 times, so you will know how to do the sums. Number 5, 95 divided by 5. 5 ones are 5, 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. Bring 5 down. Now we have 45, so 5 nines are 45. 45 minus 45 is equal to 0. Number 6, 6 ones are 6, 9 minus 6 is equal to 3. Bring 6 down. 6 6 are 36. 36 minus 36 is equal to 0. 72 divided by 4. 4 ones are 4. 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. Bring 2 down. Now we have 32. 4 8s are 32. 32 minus 32 is equal to 0. 84 divided by 7. 7 ones are 7. 8 minus 7 is equal to 1. Bring 4 down. We have 14. 7 2s are 14. So 14 minus 14 is equal to 0. These all sums are without remainder. Next page. 140 divided by 4. Now 1 is smaller than 4. So we have to consider first two digits. 4. So we have to write 0 on the top of 1. 4 3s are 12. 14 minus 12 is equal to 2. Bring 0 down. 4 5s are 20. 20 minus 20 is equal to 0. Next sum. 1 is smaller than 4. So we have to consider both the numbers, both the digits. So 11. Now in the table of 4 there is no 11. So 4 2s are 8. 11 minus 8 is equal to 3. Bring 2 down. 4 8s are 32. 32 minus 32 is equal to 0. Number 11. 184 divided by 4. Same here, we have to write 0 on the top of 1 because 1 is smaller than 4. We have to consider first two digits 18. 4 4s are 16. 18 minus 16 is equal to 2. Bring 4 down. Now here 24. 4 6s are 24. 24 minus 24 is equal to 0. Number 12. 174 divided by 2. Again we have to write 0 because 1 is smaller than 2. Now we have to consider 17 in table of 2. 2 8s are 16. 17 minus 16 is equal to 1. Bring 4 down. 2 7s are 14. 14 minus 14 is equal to 0. Next page. 928 divided by 8. 8 ones are 8. 9 minus 8 is equal to 1. Bring 2 down. 8 ones are again 8 because 12 is, 8 2s are 16 and 12 is less than 16. So 8 ones are 8. 12 minus 8 is equal to 4. Bring 8 down. 8 6s are 48. 48 minus 48 is equal to 0. Number 14. 952 divided by 7. 7 ones are 7. 9 minus 7 is equal to 2. Bring 5 down. 7 3s are 21. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. Bring 2 down. 7 6 are 42. 42 minus 42 is equal to 0. Number 13. 938 divided by 7. 7 ones are 7. 9 minus 7 is equal to 2. Bring 3 down. 7 3s are 21. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. 23 minus 21 is equal to 2. Bring 8 down. 7 4s are 28. 28 minus 28 is equal to 0. Number 14. 624 divided by 4. 4 ones are 4. 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. Bring 2 down. 4 5s are 20. 22 minus 20 is equal to 2. Bring 4 down. 4 6 are 24. 24 minus 24 is equal to 0. Always remember that this number, any number which will not be more than the divisor. This is called dividend. So dividend should not be more than the divisor. Next, number 17. 6524 divided by 4. 4 ones are 4. 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. Bring 5 down. 4 6 are 24. 25 minus 24. 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. Bring 2 down. 4 3s are 12. 12 minus 12 is equal to 0. But we have still 4 more. So bring 4 down. And 4 ones are 4. 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. Next, 3 is less than 4. So we have to write 0 on the top of 3. 4 9s are 36. 8 minus 6 is equal to 38 minus 36 is equal to 2. Bring 5 down. 4 6 are 24. 25 minus 24 is equal to 1. 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. Bring 6 down. 4 4s are 16. 16 minus 16 is equal to 0. Number 19. We have to write 0 on the top of 2 because 2 is less than 3. So 29 we have to consider. 3 9s are 27. 29 minus 27. 9 minus 7 is equal to 2. 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. Bring 2 down. We have 22. In table of 3 we have 2. See 3 7s are 21. 22 minus 21. So 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. Bring 8 down. 3 6 are 18. 18 minus 18 is equal to 0. 7 is less than 8. Number 20. Now 0 we have to write on the top of 7. We have to consider two numbers 74. 8 9s are 72. So 74 minus 72. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. 7 minus 7 is equal to 0. Bring 8 down. 8 3s are 24. 8 minus 4 is equal to 0. 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. Sorry, 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. Bring 8 down. 8 6 are 48. 48 minus 48 is equal to 0. Number 21. We have to write 0 on the top of the 4 because 4 is smaller than 7. So 7 7s are 49. 49 minus 49 is equal to 0. 9 minus 9 is equal to 0 and 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. Bring 0 down. Now in table of 7 we have already learned that if we divide 0 with any number, the quotient answer will be 0. So we have to write 0 on the top. Now we have another number, we have one more number, that is 7. So bring 7 down. 7 ones are 7. 7 minus 7 is equal to 0. 22. Do not forget to write 0 here. It's very, very important. Number 22. Again, 1 is smaller than 3. So we have to consider 15 and we have to write 0 on the top of 1. 3 5s are 15. 15 minus 15. 5 minus 5 0. And 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Bring 8 down. 3 2s are 6. 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. Bring 7 down. 3 9s are 27. 27 minus 27 is equal to 0. Number 23. 8 is smaller than 9. So we have to write 0 on the top of the 8. 9 9s are 81. 8 minus 1 is equal to 7. 8 minus 8 is equal to 0. Bring 5 down. 9 8s are 72. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. 7 minus 7 is equal to 0. Bring 6 down. 9 4s are 36. 36 minus 36 is equal to 0. Last sum. 7 ones are 7. 9 minus 7 is equal to 2. Bring 4 down. 7 3s are 21. 24 minus 21. 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. Bring 8 down. 7 5s are 35. 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. Bring 5 down. 7 5s are 35. 35 minus 35 is equal to 0. 5 minus 5 is equal to 0 and 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. You have to complete all 24 sums in your notebook. Thank you and have a nice day.